Super inspired today. Got to visit William Ford Elementary here in Dearborn, Michigan for my second time, and got to speak to the fourth graders. This visit, third and fifth was last time, and I also addressed the first and second grade as well. And since I last visited, this is why I'm very inspired, the Falcon Friends, a new kindness group that was really formed, right after I came, by some students that were so motivated by the message and wanted to make a change, a positive one here at their school. They decided to obviously implement the Schoolwide peace sign with all their hands, very peaceful and kind messages throughout that in the shape of a peace sign to remember what we talk about, which, going back to the peace sign, right, that when we let that fully enter our heart as big as our fist, we can turn that into this. And that's one finger for ourselves and the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person. And they really try to lift everyone up here at the school. School-wide, there's banners everywhere like the one you'll see behind me talking about peace, love, and kindness. And it just emanates throughout the building. You feel so welcome and so blessed to be here in Dearborn, Michigan. And they really take it to heart that it's a way of life. And you can tell that the kids just accept it. I mean, they've bought into it, and they understand that we should treat everybody as we treat our best friend. Like the message that I built on again today, dealing with bullying, that we look at someone's heart before anything else, right? Like you see somebody for who they truly are on the inside, and like the shirt says here, one race human. We see everybody as human beings first and foremost as well. We make it that our goal, and we strive to embody this life of nonviolence and of acceptance and of love, that we become these healed people who help heal other people. No matter what we've gone through, no matter what we're going to go through, we can still always choose kindness. We can still always choose love. And that also starts with understanding our worth. The M on all of our palms, M for Michigan, no, M for miracle, the lines of our hands, traced here, and upside down, W for William Ford, but also for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. And ways like that you see here, we're actually living that change and, basically making that promise by putting the hand there, putting the peace sign, putting the commitment to make this world a more accepting and loving place. That means everything, not just to me, but to all the lives that are touched here at this school and all the lives that are going to be touched for future generations, the current fifth graders leaving that imprint for the next group, for the next group, for the next group, the peace pole outside. There's just so many ways that they are really living it and not just talking the talk, but truly walking the walk. So thanks for walking this peaceful walk with me. As always, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link that you'll see pop up here. Hit the bell too for notifications on future videos that you'll obviously be aware of, just like the ones in this playlist that you can see here. And check out the website too for not only merchandise to keep the message going by wearing the message with shirts and things of that nature, but to just see where I'm going to be next. Check out the journey and hopefully keep spreading the peace yourself. Peace.